Everything here is turning out amazing. Man, look at that. Look at how nice that looks. This is a professional job. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. In the last video, we did get all the door handles put on, the mirrors put on, we got the new antenna put on, we got these brand new rugged bumpers put on this truck. So today, what we need to do is we need to focus in on putting some more of these trim pieces on, wiring up the backup lights on the rear bumper, wiring up the fog lights on the front bumper. We got some light bars that we need to wire up, but that's going to be a different day for those probably. That'll be a little bit more involved. But what we got to do, we got to get these flares snapped in. We got to get our trim pieces put on our bed. We just kind of got to button up a couple of these things, bring the tailgate in, and then we'll kind of see where we're at and see how it all looks. We're super excited. So let's stop talking and let's start working. And we put the brand new armored bumpers on the rear. We put the brand new armored bumpers on the front. Everything is coming back together just perfectly. It's turning out amazing. So we got a couple of things we got to do to these things. We got to trim out the fender liners here, kind of take care of painting some of this stuff black. Got to wire up a bunch of lights, you know, just kind of get everything together. So what we got going right here is we're gonna have to cut this off. I mean, that's got to cut off for the stock bumper. It works. For this bumper, it don't work. So JP, he's got Sawzall. He's gonna cut this off. I think we need to cut it at this last clip, right through here, right through there. That's where we're gonna cut it. That's what we're gonna do. My God, that is so good. That looks so nice. It looks like factory. Toyota wished that they cut it that straight. They really do. That looks real good. Let's pop some flares on this thing. Man, look at that. Look at how nice that looks. This is a professional job. Alrighty, guys. Man, this truck is turning out phenomenal. Man, me and JP, we stood back and looked at it a few minutes ago. We couldn't get over how good it looked. Everything here is turning out amazing. We got this fog light wired up. We just kind of temporaried everything up to see that it works, and it shines bright. Man, that thing looks good. We jumped right in here. And JP, he cut that fender liner off, got it looking OEM. Then we put our new fender flares. I think this was a used fender flare. So we put our fender flare back on. We got that looking amazingly sharp. We put our roof rubber back on. We got that thing stuck down there like Toyota wanted it to be. We put our bed tops back on. Then this was a brand new flare. We stuck that sucker on, and it is looking wonderful. We can't get over how good all this stuff looks. We got our gate. We got our gate set up. We got the camera hooked up. We got all the wiring hooked up. The tail lights hooked up. These super bright LED backup lights are hooked up. This truck is raring to hit the road. It is raring to hit the road. But you know what? I think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you think this truck is coming together, because we certainly think it is. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out. In the last video, we did get it painted all over. No, we didn't. We put the bumpers on it. Me and him both want to take it out and do donuts in. But you know what we got to do right now? We're gonna look and see. I screwed that up, JP.